Everybody, this is Ospreyeye from mychartcoach.com, and we are looking at ticker symbol TWER. Okay, very nice day today, up 29%. As you can see down here, there was a close today above the middle Bollinger Band. The middle Bollinger Band is the dotted purple line. It's also the 20-day simple moving average. The close above the middle Bollinger Band is just what the bulls wanted to see. This is signaling the possible start of a new uptrend if the middle Bollinger Band turns into support. If you look back here on the 14th of June, there was a close above the middle Bollinger Band, but the next day a red candle formed, a close below the middle Bollinger Band, and the downtrend continued. Okay, now look here on June the 29th. There was a close above the middle Bollinger Band. The following day, a red candle formed with the close below the middle Bollinger Band. The downtrend continued. Here we go, third one in a row. All right, close above the middle Bollinger Band. Are we going to see a red candle tomorrow and a close below the middle Bollinger Band and having history repeat? Or will there be a change in trend, possibly a white candle forming tomorrow above the middle Bollinger Band? That is what the bulls are looking for. That would be the bullish change in trend that could be signaling more upside potential. Key target to break right here. The 50 and 100-day simple moving averages currently at 374 and 370. Okay, bulls want to see a break above that level. If that happens, you could see a run to the top up here of the close and high of day on the 14th. Okay, that would put when you get a break above the 100-day moving average, after the 50-day moving average breaks, the next target becomes the 200-day moving average, which is difficult to see, but it's up here at 674. So that's going to be the target. If you get a break above, fail to break the 150-day moving average, will signal downside risk. So what you want to do is you want to anticipate history repeating, but keeping an eye out for a bullish change in trend. A good sign that there could be bullish upside tomorrow, look at the volume spike. Okay, much larger volume than the previous 2 days. Okay, this is bullish. There's what you want to do is you want to follow the money, so you do that by following the volume bars. Okay, let's take a look at the intraday charts here on the TWER 15-minute chart. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands were super tight right before the breakout. This is what you want to keep an eye out for. Okay, look at the Bollinger Bands here. They were wide back here, and then they tightened, and then what happened was there was this close above the middle Bollinger Band, and right here in the 50-day moving average, this candle right here, there was a little volume spike, and this was the signal that the chart was heating up. This was the load signal. Okay, it traded sideways. If you missed that, this candle right here, the break above the 300-day moving average on a volume spike down here, was the showtime signal. This was the time signaling. If you missed back here, this was the time to jump in, and then everybody can see the run that followed. The close was very bullish. Check it out. It was above EMA 4. So as long as candles are writing EMAs 4 and 8 support higher, and they're holding the middle Bollinger Band at 271, TWER will be in play. Since it is in a downtrend on the daily chart, if the middle Bollinger Band breaks, then that will signal downside risk and will be a risk to hold. Okay, so this is the process of possibly starting a new uptrend. It's all about the middle Bollinger Band on the daily chart. If it turns into support, that's going to signal upside potential, and then if it turns into resistance, that's going to signal continuation of the downtrend. One good sign for the bulls here is this volume, right? There was a big volume behind the move today. We'll see if they're holding and looking to go higher. If you take a quick look here at the weekly chart, this is a weekly chart. Each candle represents 1 week of trading. This is a 1-year chart. Notice again, volume. Okay, so we got big volume down here over this June-July period. Okay, at the bottom of the chart. So that's what you want to see. The last 4 weeks, the closes have been below EMA 4. Right now, you've got a move above EMAs 4 and 8. The weekly candle will not set until the closing bell on Friday. But if there is a close above EMA 4 and EMA 8, that would be very bullish. Bulls, you want to see a close above the middle Bollinger Band, like back here, and then that's where you got this run up here to 1140. All right, so what we're looking for is a possible new uptrend starting on the weekly chart if TWER can get a close above the middle Bollinger Band. If not, as you can see, this is death spiral financing. Okay, this is bad financing. Fail to break that middle Bollinger Band, it's going to signal continuation of the downtrend and downside risk. Okay, thank you for viewing this chart. Check us out at mychartcoach.com and our YouTube channel at mychartcoach.com. Thank you.